Salamat sa RPN. Noong simula pa lamang, kayo ang naging magulang.
Sa aking bawat hakbang, tulong nyo'y tamang daan.
Sa aking mga pagsubok, kayo'y laging tumutok.
Kayo na ang laging gabay, hanggang sa magtagumpay.
Salamat, salamat, hindi malilimutan. Gintong alaala ng ating pagsasama. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Ako'y makilala, sikat sa buong mata.
Sa ibang karangalan, sa lahat bahagi ka.
Ngayon ka nakita, hinubog ng lumipas.
At bawat ngayon at bukas, nakapusin hanggang wakas.
Salamat, salamat, salamat sa pagkakataon na makapiling, makabalikan, maging bahagi ng mundo. Salamat, salamat, taus-pusong pasasalamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, DZRL Batak, DZKI Iriga, DYKB Bacolod, D1KC Cebu, DXKS Surigao, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKT Davao, DXDX General Santos, RPN Radio Philippines Network.
RPN Radio Philippines Network. Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga. Member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Ang oras na ini, dara po sa Indukan Losenya Electrical Supply para po sa madikalidad na electrical product. Day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Hall, San Francisco, Iriga City. Owned and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
Nasalanta ka man ng bagyo o lindol, may paraan para makabangon. Kasama mo si M. Luwalier sa bawat hakbang. Kung kailangan mo ng dagdag pondo sa bahay o kotse, nandito ang ML Quick Cash Loan, Car Loan at Home Loan. Mas madali, mabilis at siguradong maaasahan. Kaya sa bawat laban ng buhay, may katuwang kang totoo. Punta na sa pinakamalapit na M. Luwalier branch today. Ang tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Need a hotel? GSAC Hotel is a perfect option when you are on a budget. Nice room, new and modern. The prices are great. Very good option to stay if you need a good and simple hotel. They have air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi. They also have fantastic family room, all of which deliver the perfect blend of home and hotel. GSAC Hotel is located at corner Luna Candol and Quezon Streets, Gubat, Sorsogon City, beside the GSAC main branch. Call them at 0930-1398-007 or at 0965-150-7477.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulong ang damit.
Charm Fab Con, pangong Maca Bloom, tanggal amoy kulong sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Back
Fabcon with Blue Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Pagkong kumakablog sa charm!
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, kupadungin masyad. Hello, right bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Right bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Kupadungin masyad. Hello, right bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng antivirus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Gadan ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart
Smart dishwashing paste ko!
Smart 2.
Pritong ulam na masebo! Plato kaldero! Ang galing for everyday!
Araw kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to.
Tanggaling-galing mo!
Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up.
May budget.
So solid. White rose papaya, wow. White roses. White rose papaya, wow. White roses. White rose papaya. May glow up with the white rose papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puting power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Wow, wow, by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, magtinino, pinagmarhay, kan Ngo Brothers, na daig na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal ng mga substandard as in undersized na mga bakal, arog kan kabilya, angled bars, as in iba pa, tasigon sa mga eksperto, nakabarato ka man sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales, as in posibleng magdulot pa ng diskwido. Kaya sa Ngo & Sons, ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. De kalidad, asing sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong pamilya. Ngo & Sons, ang ngaran na matitiwalaan. Poon kadto, sad kungunyan.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulong ang damit.
Charm, Fabcon, pangong kumakablo. Tanggal amoy kulong sa bango ng charm.
Charm Fabcon with Blue Fresh technology. kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangkok, kumakablaw sa charm!
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, ikot pa lumipas siya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Bright Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Ikot pa lumipas siya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride! All you need is pride!
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo.
Laban sa bakterya!
I-shield mo.
Laban ng pati virus!
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Gadan ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado!
I-shield mo.
Pamilya protektado!
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart to
Smart dishwashing paste ko!
Smart to
Pritong ulam na masebo, plato kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Arog kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal kaling ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang pahit, linis, fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to!
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart dishwashing paste!
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White rose papaya, wow, white roses. White rose papaya, wow, white roses. White rose papaya. May glow up with the white rose papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya na isinified para sa puting power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Buhay Sa Cooperative is a multi-purpose cooperative offering a wide array of savings and loan products. GSAM offers high-yielding interest rate for savings for education, retirement, time deposit, afternoon yield savers, and regular savings accounts. GSAM also offers financing services for businesses, agriculture, private and government employees, marketing, medical, housing, and many more. GSAM also offers allied services such as GSAM Farm, GSAM Hotel, and GSAM Diagnostic Center. For your medical needs, we have GSAM General Hospital Incorporated. To help you in your agricultural ventures, we have 222 Agri-Industrial Corporation. Visit the nearest GSAM branch now. GSAM, the keeper of your trust.
Sino nga ba siya sa puso?